how to buy FusedNFurious token. So this token came under the symbol of FNFS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. You can go and buy it there. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on it and fund it with some USDT. To be able to buy this token on MEXC, now go and log into your account like that. Now go back to this page and just copy the symbol of the token. Now go to search and paste it. And as you can see here, you will be able to see this pair. Click on it. And as you can see, you will be able to see this page. To be able to buy this token, click on buy and click on limit. Now here, type how much you want to buy of that token. So here, as you can see, you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy FNFS. So if you select the market, you can drag this to see how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy FNFS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.